part of being a content creator is to have the right equipment, for what you do. Now, sometimes you might try to get equipment because you watch other people and you said, okay, if they had it, I want to go get it and I want to learn it and be like them. That can cause a problems for you. So here's what I suggest you do. Find your own way. Find what works for you and jump on it. Cause it's your vision for your viewing audience. And you are my viewing audience. And I love you guys. And I want you guys to have the best of my thoughts, the best of my imagination. I want you to see what I see and enjoy what I enjoy and laugh with me. And I want you to just take that moment to experience what I'm experiencing. So just experience this right now.
Calibration. But when you go in the other place, like you change place, since you are a vlogger, time to time you will change place, you're changing place. So you need to calibrate your aircraft into compass calibration. So this is what the compass calibration do. So when you press the 3 dot, it will go here. So in the safety, just swipe down. So here's the compass calibration. So it needs when you changing place. So now we will do the compass calibration. So in the compass calibration, it takes less than a seconds. So just click the calibrate. Just click the calibrate, then start. Facing the aircraft, just follow what the image here. So now rotate your aircraft 360 and then upward 360. compass calibration. So it means the whole area, even in the far,
Oh, okay, got you.
he recorded it. So now, we're doing the IMU calibration. For the IMU calibration is when you are reaching the higher places. So you need to do the IMU calibration, but only once. So like when you are going uphill, then you want to try to fly your aircraft there above the mountain. So before you fly it, start IMU calibration first. Then when you go down, IMU calibration again. Okay, so
you close it like this before you do that?
So for the IMU calibration, you have to fold your wings. So let's click here.
So once you do it once,
Yes.
do I have to do it every time?
Yes, every time. Just the
Every
compass
time.
calibration. When changing
Okay.
places, compass calibration
Okay.
only. But when you're changing place like altitude, do the IMU calibration.
That's good to know. That's
So
good news.
follow the image here. So that's the position. Start. So just wait until the image is changed. Hello. So
No,
now
man.
it's
Only over on the side.
on the side.
Wow. So tell them your name, man. Who are you? Where you work?
I'm Dorbs and I'm working here. Live in Cebu City and I'm working with DJI. So
Yeah, man. He's the man. He's the man.
let's put the SD card. You can pay the SD card in our
Yep.
machines.
The SD card is better here or here?
Much better here.
Much better there. So we're just not playing around because we're taking this content creating for my YouTube channel very, very serious. All right, so we want the best, and we want to start simple and then move our way up. Right. So when I first bought my first drone, I paid about maybe $170 for it. The video quality wasn't great. It doesn't have the things that the DJI Pro 3, Mini Pro 3 does. I could get the other drones, but for what I do, this is the best drone for me and my content. Maybe later on, I hire some expert drone guys to come and do these things. I'm good behind the mic. That's just me. The technical stuff, that's not me. But behind the mic, that's me. So my name is Meka Al. And then I got the DJI Osmo Action. Yeah, current's been going out. The electricity been going out. Yeah, it's raining hard down here. But anyway, we're still going. We're still taping. I bought this bad boy here. This is like the GoPro, but this is the DJI Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. This is tight, man. When I say this is tight, I mean this is tight. It's for my underwater adventure, also for my bike adventure. Now when I video, I don't have to put my phone on my bike and it's shaking like this. It's gonna be right on my helmet, or right on my face, or right on my cheek. This is the thing. This is the thing. So I got this one. Looking forward to doing that. Check out some of what's going on over there on the screen. It's yeah. And then we're gonna fly our drone. Just kind of do a test run on it. Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm excited.
That's it.
All right, SD card is up and going.
Okay, let's try to fly our drone.
All right. Here we go. We're gonna see if it works. We're gonna see if it works now.
So in doing the flying,
Thank you.
you can do the manual. So in the manual hover, this throw controller just press together.
Oh, to go down.
So just
Press together inwards or downwards? Oh, like that. Okay, in and down. Okay. Oh, and it automatically starts. Do its thing.
Yes. Then when you're lifting your aircraft, just do this on the left controller.
Makes good air condition, man.
And the proper handle for the controller is like this.
Yeah.
Yes, so so that you have the control. Okay, so and on this side is the tilt of the camera down and up.
Okay.
So let's
see if that works.
okay, here. Camera going down, camera going up. Now it's facing us. So on this side also is for the zooming of the camera.
Yeah,
Okay. So let's do the zoom. There you go.
It is working.
Okay, up to 4 times for the video. Going back. Okay.
It is working.
Let's move it. I'll show you the movement. So when facing
Away from you.
the away from you, the drone, the movement is here. So when you do the forward, just do forward. On the right joystick and backward. Right side and the left side. On the left joystick, for upward, downward, rotation right, rotation left. So that's just the rotation steady on the aircraft. The inside, video.
Oh, you saw the video by pressing the button on the
Yes,
top
sir.
here. Okay, gotcha.
So you can do this one up. This movement when you do the practice. So look at the
Oh, you're
video.
using this boat,
Yes.
your boat lever.
Yes, sir.
So you can keep the video in. Wow. You guys can see all this at the same time here. That is nice.
So it's rotating us.
They rotate around us. That's amazing. The left-right motion camera
Yes, sir.
at the same time. That's tight. That's what I'm talking about, y'all.
You're a professional.
Come on now. Come on now.
See that? That's what my man. Come on now.
Same with the left, right movement, same.
I like how steady it is. It's really nice. Man, these guys are amazing, man. They're amazing. And yep, I'm leaving with my drones and my selfie stick and all the good stuff. Peace.